Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix CryptPad password not working issues in 2026. So if you can't log in, your password is being rejected, or you keep getting authentication errors, this guide will help you fix it step by step. First, double-check your password carefully. Make sure there are no typing mistakes, extra spaces, or wrong capitalization, because passwords are case-sensitive. Next, make sure you are logging into the correct account. Sometimes users accidentally try a different email or username. Now try resetting your password using the Forgot Password option on the login page. This is the fastest way to regain access if your password is incorrect. Next, check your internet connection and make sure it is stable. A weak connection can interrupt the login process and cause errors. Now clear your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted login data can sometimes prevent authentication from working correctly. Next, try logging in using an incognito window or a different browser. This helps identify whether the issue is caused by browser settings or extensions. Now disable browser extensions temporarily. Privacy tools and security extensions can sometimes block login requests. Next, make sure your browser is updated to the latest version for better compatibility with CryptPad. Now wait a few minutes and try again if you have attempted multiple wrong passwords, as temporary lockouts can occur. Finally, restart your browser or device and attempt the login process once more with the correct credentials. And that's it. You've successfully fixed CryptPad password not working issues. Now you should be able to log in and access your account without any problems. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.